Welcome to this review video of the Quick DNA Origin DNA test, the latest one available in France. To order, I've placed in the description below this video the promo code DNA5, which gives you a 5% discount with the direct link to the store. For those unfamiliar, Quick DNA offers a genealogical DNA test to discover ethnic origins from a saliva sample. The results then appear on the My Customer Space map that you see on the screen. I took the Quick DNA Origin DNA test, and as you can see, I am 82.2% Western and Northern European, 7.8% Greek and Southern Italian, and 4% Italian. Results align with my origins. Online ordering is simple and easy to navigate. The website is clear and well done. I ordered, and in a few days I received my kit at home. The kit contains everything needed to take the test: a tube for saliva, very clear instructions, and a prepaid envelope to return everything. Next, taking the test is simple and quick. You just need to put a bit of saliva in the tube. This can be done alone from home. After that, I sent the kit back in the envelope. Then all that's left is to wait for the results. The results arrived in less than a week. Received email notifying everything ready on my Quick DNA online account. Overall, quite satisfied with Quick DNA Origin DNA test. Process was simple. Results are detailed and easy to understand. If curious about origins, discovering where ancestors come from, it's recommended to get this genealogy kit, especially as it's the only one available in France. There you go. I hope this video helped you better understand how it works. What can you expect from the Quick DNA test? Thanks for watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask in the comments. To place an order, don't forget promo code DNA5 in the description with the store link.